Okay, what I have here is a flashing red light. I made this timer circuit with parts I bought at RadioShack. Not very expensive. This is the 555 timer IC. I've got three 1K resistors and I have a 220 microfarad capacitor. I got a red LED, and I got some little jumpers and a 9-volt battery. The speed at which this light flashes is dependent on the resistor values and the capacitor values, but it was pretty easy to keep the resistor values all the same. And the circuit I found is from the website buildelectroniccircuits.com. Okay, so let me just show that here. Okay, that's the name of the website. And what I did is I took a look at their diagram and redrew it pretty much the same way as you see it, like this. Okay, and so you've got the battery up here. It connects to pins 8 and pin 4. The negative side of the battery connects to pins 1, and that also, negative side also connects to the capacitor. And the top of the capacitor, the positive side, connects to pins 2 and 6. The light emitting diode connects to pin 3, and it also has a resistor connected to it before it goes back to ground, which is the negative side of the battery. Between pins 7 and 8 is one resistor. Between pins 6 and 7 is another resistor, and pin 5 is not connected at all, not really necessary for this circuit. Okay, so we have the values shown right here. Okay, so what happens if I change the value of the capacitor? Okay, if I take, this is the 220 microfarad capacitor, take that out, put that over here. Let's go for a little bigger one. Okay, so attach it to pin 2, which is also pin 6, and put the wire back on. Okay, so this is a 470 microfarad capacitor, so it's going slower than the 220 that we had on there previously. The longer leg is positive, so I always want to have the positive side of the circuit and the positive side of the capacitor. So let's see what happens when we go to the next step up here. Is the 2200 microfarad capacitor. Go like this and plug it in there. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Helps to plug in the hot side. Yes, this is real. Okay. Okay, that big capacitor makes the light flash slower. Much slower. Okay, let's go the other way. All right. Just to remind ourselves, how fast was the 220. That's pretty fast. Now let's go down to a 100 microfarad capacitor. That's in all the way. Bit faster. And let's go all the way down to 10 microfarad. See how that works. Well, that is so fast that we can't even see the difference. So that's all there is to it. So how's that for my first try at a 555 astable circuit? Thank you for watching.